Good morning everyone, welcome back. It's Monday, the 9th of December. We're here in Roshnee. Vereniging. We're quickly going to replace a steel gate track and install a Centurion D5 Smart Evo sliding gate motor. First things first, on the track reinforcing bars were used, which obviously causes a rattling effect. So this gate will never operate smoothly due to the ridges and valleys on the reinforcing steel bar. So if we do open it, we can hear it. Okay, first things first, identifying what we need to do. So the old track, we will cut that off. You just turn like this and see if we can get a better shot with the sun. So that will always cause a loud noise on a steel sliding gate when it moves. Client got us some 10mm round bar. So what we'll do, we'll quickly join it, get it one long section, and then we'll cut the old one off and re-weld this one into position. And then obviously our gate motor, we'll have to mount it here. So guys, stay tuned, it's going to be an interesting one. So guys, on this side you can see we've welded the new round bar into place. You'll see that we've got enough welded areas to prevent the round bar from bending and getting off the track. The angle iron on which has been welded. Quickly move like that. And then obviously on the rear side as well. So we're now going to replace the wheels because the washboarding wheel will just damage the new track. Let's quickly replace the wheels. Right, here's the interesting aspect. One can see the outline of the old steel base plate of the previous gate motor. We won't use it. We could have used it, but we're not going to use it. We're going to install our proper steel platform into position, which will then allow us to move the gate motor around until it suits and all of the specifications, our specifications, are in place, and then we can weld it down. So again, we're not taking shortcuts. We'll never take shortcuts. So we did a quick assembly of the gate motor. We've just hand tightened the steel base plate bolts. And then we're quickly just checking the spacing between the gate motor and the steel sliding gate. So obviously you can see that the spacing is getting bigger between the pinion gear and the steel sliding gate, and that is because the steel sliding gate is bent like a banana. Then obviously when it comes to the end, you'll see that the gate moves closer to the gate motor. So the spacing is decreasing. Okay, so we have our measurements. We're going to quickly spot weld the gate motor steel base plate into position, and then we'll weld it down properly. Let's quickly have a look. You can see that the steel base plate is welded, or the steel platform is welded, and that's level, so it makes it much easier. The gate motor steel base plate is just placed onto the platform and then welded into position. So you can see that the welding is all properly done. So we've got a nice sturdy platform, and now we can mount the gate motor onto it and bolt it down. You quickly look, the anti-theft brackets just slide in, then comes your adjuster bolt, then comes your spring washer, and then comes your 17mm bolt. You see that the steel platform has been painted with primer paint, so it's not gonna rust. It's just getting these small bolts and stuff in, and then we'll align the gate motor to be parallel to the steel sliding gate. Right, final adjustments on the gate motor has been made. So the spacing between the gate motor pinion gear and the steel gate is good, we can call it that. We're now going to quickly tighten the steel nuts down. That keeps the gate motor in place. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use one of the half nuts on the right hand side to secure the earth wire. Then we can start welding steel gate rail in place according to factory specifications. Right, done with welding the steel gate rail into position. Just want to show you, on the quicker videos you can't see everything, so I'll just go slowly over it on every video, just to show you that quality is always priority with our installations. So on the right hand side there, the end of the gate rail is welded down. Then on your startup you've got a support bracket. Check that welding there. And then next to it the next bracket. And so we can continue on all of them. Got 11 brackets in total here. Then coming back to the fully open position, you'll have a bracket, and then your opening bracket, and then your last support bracket. And then obviously the spacing between the brackets and the gate motor pinion gear. You just quickly see there you can see there's a play there. That's what you want. Alright, now we only need to quickly fit the plastic base power supply, connect up the electrical cable, fit the battery, check the battery charging voltage, do the programming, and hand over to the client. That's how easy it is from here on. Guys, again, what's important is to make sure that your battery charging voltage is correct. Out of this box it was 13.40, which is far too low. So we set it correct to 13.84. The maximum we can go is 14.5, but that's, you're running the risk of cooking the battery. So I would stay within the range of 13.8 to 14 volts. Nothing more on a lead acid battery. Alright, also remember to fit your anti-rodent tamper or anti-snake and lizard tamper lid. So we've set up the limits, which is going to quickly program the remotes. Batteries in, installation is done. Time to quickly hand over to the client and finalize everything. Done and dusted. Another great installation by Pottie from Smart Gates and exquisite security. Let's quickly see how this gate motor runs. Right, smoothly as can be. Centurion D5 Evo Smart, installed here in Roshnee on the 9th of December 2024 by Pottie. Give us a call, 083 778 2288. Check out our new webpage, smartgates.co.za. Exquisite security is still there. And thanks for watching and for all of the support, much appreciated. May you all have a blessed festive season. Take care and stay safe. Just the last view. Stand here, you can see that the gate motor is standing dead still. Obviously not vibrating. I'm just stopping it there because of the gate's noise. Pedestrian gates tend to make more noise than gates without pedestrian gates. Thanks guys.